Mansi and you're watching Supervising Shell Reloaded. So, my favorite season, winters, is here. I love everything about winters, from long coats to long boots, from cozy clothes to cozy blankets, every little thing. But there's this one thing that really gets affected by winters, and that's my skin. Like, it gets all dry, it loses its moisture, and I hate that. Like, I love winters, I absolutely love winters, but I love my skin too. So I have to do something about it. So here I am with this easy DIY face pack, which really helped me to regain that nourishment, that moisture to my skin. And today I'm gonna share it with you all. And if you are also facing that issue, then do try it, and don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment down your views, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to this channel because it's free. Now without further ado, let's get started.